4. Vertical components. Rectangle box 1, 2 and 3. Why it is 3? Because the second force in the first quadrant doesn't have vertical component. Now let us write the summation of horizontal components. Sigma h equal to first one. What is the first one? Value is 400 cos 40 degree. Second one plus 800, no sign, no degree, no trigonometric relation. H sign is negative, 1000 cos 30 degree. Fourth quadrant 600 cos 40 degree. Sigma V, first one plus 400 sin 40, no for second force, and the third one is minus 1000 sin 30 plus 600 sin 40. Three forces, 1, 2, 3, and those are all 4 forces. Resolving them, observe carefully here. We'll get minus 233.71 minus means what? Left direction or L. And for vertical component it is 230.068. 230.68. It is positive. Positive means right direction. Sigma horizontal is negative and sigma vertical component is positive. Which quadrant does it come under? Sigma h is negative and this is a positive. It will come in the fourth quadrant. Now we will calculate the resultant. Resultant R is equal to sigma h square plus sigma v square, we know that, and the value here minus 233.71 and we got plus 230.68. So after resolving this, we get a resultant force as 328 Newton positive. We will get positive only. And we also know that tan theta is equal to sigma v divided by sigma h. Sigma v is 230.68 divided by 233.7. As I told you earlier, don't have to consider the sign while calculating the angle theta. So therefore theta is equal to tan inverse of, what is the value of this tan theta? Tan theta we get 0.989. So 0.989 we get the angle as 44.69 degree. The angle is what here, if you write it in the coordinate system, we got sigma h as negative, we got sigma as positive, and the value of r is 328. If you represent that in the coordinate system of x dash, y dash, north, south, east, west. As we know already, in the first quadrant it is positive, 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 negative, 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 and negative, positive. That is HV horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical. If we observe in our answer, the summation of horizontal component is negative and summation of vertical component is positive, so our resultant will lie in the fourth quadrant, and angle made by the resultant is 44.69. We will write the resultant of, what is the value of resultant? 328 Newton, making an angle of 44.69 degree, and we can write that angle as, since it is northwest, you write north 44.69 degree west, and our answer is what? 328 Newton. So this is our answer. So under the resultant of force, we have done three types of problems. One is the angles are not given. We have to initially, earlier you have to calculate, very importantly we have to calculate the unknown angle using the relation tan theta, and write down the angle, resolve the forces into horizontal and vertical components, and you have to take care of the signs before coming into the solving of the problems. So take care of the sign, take care of the angle. We have to observe the angle with which axis it is made with, and after resolving forces into horizontal and vertical components, write the summation of horizontal forces, write the summation of vertical components, solve it. After solving this, observe the sign of the horizontal components and locate the resultant according to the sign which is mentioned in the particular quadrant. After solving the resultant using the formula sigma h square plus sigma v square, and with the relation tan theta sigma v divided by sigma h, you calculate the angle. After calculating the angle, and locate the resultant carefully, and also note that while calculating the tan theta, you don't have to take care of the sign. We have to write only the numerical values to calculate the angle. So next class, let us do some other numerical problems which is under the condition of equilibrium, and we will solve the problems with related to the unknown value of resultants. Thank you.